So today, guys, we're gonna be replacing the radiator hose. This one has been leaking for a little bit, and we'll be putting in the new one that costed about $75.
Canadian.
Yes, Canadian. So we're gonna have to take off these guys down here. Oh. You okay, TJ?
Yeah.
I think that's off. I think that's off. That's off. Okay. I'm just taking off this hose here. Oh no, it's gonna be splish and splash. Oh, that's okay.
Look at that orange syrup.
Oh my god.
There's my battle
There we
scar.
go.
Open it.
Yeah. Watch out, T. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingies. Yeah.
Get it?
Squirt.
Hey.
Oh
Champion.
my lord.
Wait, this.
Let me show you what you do with this. Useless. No, don't drain it.
It should drain it.
Or should I get different pliers?
Get bigger ones.
Yeah, I will. I brought two
Locking
rods.
clamps. Oh my god.
Oh my god, maybe this is not the tool for the tool.
Watch out, T.
Oh.
Just take it off.
That's what I was.
Wait, hold on, no, hold on. We're still gonna put it back. Wait, hold on. What if I can now clamp it?
Oh my god, be careful.
I know, I'm so scared right
If it hits me.
now. It shouldn't.
It shouldn't.
Stop dripping it.
He wants to make our car as dirty
Oh,
as his.
perfect. See?
Ooh.
That's how these things are
Okay, now be careful with
perfect
it.
for. There you go. Is it in? And then you just go like that and figure out where we should have it. So about there. And
No, a little bit lower.
right there.
Yeah.
And then you just click the button and boom.
And boom.
If it doesn't leak, I don't care. See that one? There you go. Boom.
Boom, boom, pow.
Clip.
Clip. Now.
Is that good?
Yeah.
There, mint.
I don't think you're all the way in though.
My back hurts.
You're all the way in though.
Okay, hold on. Then watch out.
Look, you still have like a nail of space.
It is nail of space. I like it. I like that too.
Oh, that's...
There. Mint. That's
There we go.
how you replace.
That's how you have no more radiator fluid, guys.
Putting back
Me to record the
the
intake.
heat shield.
Yeah.
We didn't record taking it out. It just magically appears in the video.
Where's that screw you gave me? Oh, there it is. You just need the big one.
So polite on the camera. It's a weird noise, like it's like as if dragging air back kind of thing. You'll know it once I drive.
Like sucking?
Yes.
Dragging air back.
I like that noise. Well, we have Miss
called
Chemistry here. She knows everything.
Mr. Physics here, sir. Miss Chemistry, Miss Bio.
I'm biology, sir.
Oh shit. There we go.
Okay.
Back. Okay. So I'm gonna tighten this guy up.
I thought we were gangsters.
Now we're gonna put a bit more into it. Just so we're good.
Turn
to
your
go.
ECU off.
Shut up.
I did.
Yeah, so we have to do an oil change on this car later.
Yeah, I know. We'll do that before the trip.
I'll add a bit more water. There's
Why?
already there's enough coolant in there. So.
How do you know? You already mixed it. Now you're just making the water proportion more.
Precision.
Now he's gonna still top level too.
There you go.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, how you never screw in a nut or a screw into a hose.
What?
There you go, mint.
Final thoughts?
Thank God it's running again.
Final thoughts?
It's still slow. I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm joking, I'm joking.